Hi, it's me, Gareth from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the Discovery Princess, and we're going to take a look at a Deluxe Balcony Cabin 327. So let me just get my medallion up there so it opens the door. And here it is. So we've just gotten on board, and I'm making the video early today. So let's first look at the cabin. So looks like the bed's had a lot of use. Not that it isn't beautiful. 2 nightstands, desk, and what makes this deluxe is this little sofa. Let's go back, and of course there's the TV. And one of these. So here's the bathroom. This is the switch for the bathroom. Oh, it's got one of those. And another one there. By the way, I'm hand holding my light because the thing that holds it to my GoPro is in my suitcase, which hasn't come yet. So here's the shower. And it's pretty standard. It does have a removable shower head, which I love. Right? It also has a clothesline, which hooks in there. Little keyhole, right? Good place to dry your clothes. It has temperature there. Remember, that's Celsius. So 38 is about 100 Fahrenheit. So if you wanted to, you could make it warmer. It locks in at 38 by pushing that button in, and there's 45 and 50. That would be very hot. So it locks in at 38. And then this, of course, is water, right? So it's pretty good size. I mean, you know, for a cruise ship. It has shower gel and shampoo and conditioner mixed. Towels, towel rack, one of these. I will say that the toilet paper is all the way over there. So I don't know if that's going to be an issue for you. Looks like somebody took a roll and just set it down there. So it'd be easier. Tissues, lotion, and hand soap. Towels, 3 little shelves, an outlet for shavers. For razors only. And that's pretty much it. I will say that there's a little red mark on there and a little blue mark. So I guess if I turn it that way, it's hot. And if I turn it that way, it's cold. That's my assumption. So the bathroom was right in there. This is the closet. And this cabin has a lot of hangers. What it doesn't have is light in here. Okay, see, I've got a little flashlight I'm holding up. So like a little GoPro light. See that? But if I turn that off, it gets pretty dark in here. I mean, the GoPro automatically adjusts, but so normally they have a light right there where they have a smoke detector. That brings us to the closet. So there's a little closet here with shelves, a safe, not a microwave, lots of shelves. So that's the closet area. There's our luggage for a comparison, and we brought on some water. Oh, shadows. So let's look at a nightstand. It's got a little shelf here and 2 drawers that kind of lock in. The handles are going different directions, but so what? It does have a tiny USB port. You know, this is the old school USB port, right? And a little switch. You can also switch the room lights off and on here. Those and those. The bed seems pretty nice. Princess usually has really great beds, so, or at least I like them. We'll come back to the television. So on this side, you have exactly the same thing. USB port, light switch, remote for the TV, and 2 drawers. So if you're thinking about it, I pulled the bed out, and this is the outlet behind the bed. So there's one of these European ones, that's what the lamp's plugged into, and one of these other kind. On the other side of the bed, you have the same thing. So if you want to pull the bed out and plug something in down here, make sure you have one of those plugs or an adapter. Okay, now for the couch. It's convertible into a single bed. I would call that a single. So that means it's not a very big couch. It's definitely not a very big couch. I mean, 2 people are going to sit on it, but I wouldn't put 3 on it unless you really like them. There's a vanity here with a chair, nice upholstered chair, trash can, no drawer. Okay, there's a drawer here though, and it has the blow dryer in it. Okay, in this cabinet is the refrigerator, and it feels pretty cold. We get a mini bar set up, not this bottle of wine, we brought that. So we get some sodas and a couple beers. I've never had them give me light beer before, Miller Lite. It's always been Dos Equis on Princess, so I don't know if they're changing. San Pellegrino and some still water. So, telephone. So here we come to the outlets. So there's 1, 2, USA type, American type, 120 volt or 110, whatever they are. There's 2 of these, I think I would call that European outlets, and 1 of these. So if you want more than 2 outlets, you maybe want to bring an adapter. Right? Oh, and a mirror. And a light. Lights. We also get little bottles of liquor, like we were on a plane. There are shears, and then there are solid curtains. Okay. So now we're going to go out, and this door slides real easy. We're going to go out to the balcony. That would be locked, and that would be unlocked. Balcony is a little bit small. That's about 4 feet, I think. There's Janet. Yeah. So, and we're on deck 9, so we have lifeboats right here.
Which they didn't tell us.
So, well, we'll still see out there. But, you know, the ship goes way up. That's deck 16 up there, where the curve is. The seats recline, although if you recline that very much, there's not going to be any place for your legs to go. So just remember that. Now, you could turn it sideways. There's a little table. That one reclines too, that chair. Plastic handrail. The newer ships, at least these last couple Royal class ships, have plastic handrails. So, balcony is as wide as the cabin, and then sticks out about 4 feet, maybe 5. Let's talk about Princess TVs. Princess TVs, I don't know how much time you're going to spend in your cabin watching TV, but it's they're pretty nice. They have a lot of things here. Of course, safety essentials. Whoop. guest services, so all that stuff, today's deals, welcome to LA, so on. Vibe is where you're going to see the wake show and information about casino and events. Explore is the spa and shore excursions and onboard shopping. These are all the dining places on board, and there are a lot of them. Some are free, some are not. I should say included. There is one button here where it gives you the restaurant menus. So we're eating in the Juno dining room tonight, and there it is. That's tonight's menu. Okay. Then on movies and television, they have hundreds, and I mean hundreds of free movies. These are the movies that are going to be movies under the stars, right? But you can watch them in your cabin. There's also live TV. No cruise ship has decent live TV channels in my opinion, but you know, if you like sports, I guess. But MSNBC, Fox News, and CNBC are the only news channels. Well, BBC. And then it has several TV series. And these, of course, there's more. See, it keeps going and going and going and going. So, that's the television.